Yo, what's up?
Alright, so now we are in Tabanan in my hometown. Wow! Actually, this Jatilui village is about 20 minutes from my hometown. My hometown is still in the Tabanan city. But yeah, today it's very sunny day, beautiful day. Normally from the last week it's very bad rain in Bali. So yeah, so lucky.
Yeah, and well, I wanna have a coffee, but before I gonna have a coffee, I gonna fly a drone. I really wanna show you this beautiful area from the bird's eye. By the way, we standing on the rice fields. This is the river. It's very I nearly
And
fall,
only
nearly
us
fall
here,
down. Only
and
us
some
here.
of the farmers who are working. It's beautiful green rice paddies. I think this rice paddy is 1.5 months.
Yes,
yeah?
about one and a half months. So it's very
So
beautiful.
later in 2 more months we'll be harvesting.
Okay, I will fly drone now. Later we will show you a little bit of the area around, because this is very huge area. It's about 300 hectares, I think, or 100
Yes,
something.
and the air is very fresh. Behind us is Mount Batur, the biggest mountain in Tabanan. Beautiful. Damian will fly drone for
I
you.
will fly the drone, and later we will have a coffee. When I call her up to say I'm in town, I get a notion that we both walk the same ground. Been traveling all over, searching far and away for a sign to lead me straight. We walk together down the streets of our home. It's been forever, a long time that I've been gone. The feelings come easy as we start a new day, and I know what I should say. Here we go.
So there is a small house here. Very nice. Look at the beautiful rice paddies. Oh my god. Alright, so we arrived in one small restaurant in the middle of rice paddies. This is a brand new restaurant actually in Jatilui. Let's see how beautiful it is. But first of all, we need to wash our hands. Oh my god, the water's so fresh.
In the river.
And look at the water in the river.
So clean.
So this is a brand new restaurant that I told you, very beautiful with the rice paddies, very nice. So we wanna sit somewhere facing the rice paddies. Hello. And then maybe I will order one coffee, maybe here. The restaurant actually facing to the rice paddies, straight forward. And Damian is waiting for his coffee. It's 10 in the morning and look at that, it's already so many people are here. Beautiful place. And they also have a pizza, but Damian doesn't want to have a pizza. This place is the best. Oh my god, the breeze, beautiful. We have our coffee for breakfast. Damian ordered pancake. Oh, look at that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh,
Looks nice.
very nice. Coffee and pancake. Healthy breakfast, huh?
Kind of, yeah.
Oh, what is that? Oh,
Chocolate pancake.
nice. And with the view. I'm walking through the rice paddies. Beautiful. This is small path. Beautiful feeling. Oh my god, this is very beautiful feeling, you know. You can take a very fresh air, take a deep breath. Oh my god, this is so amazing. And look at the rice paddies. Nice, very nice. Ooh. Can you hear the sound of the wind? And look at the water, very clear water, very nice. Oh my god, so nice, so nice. Jatiluwih is always beautiful. And then that's Mount Batur, the rice farmers. Halo Pak. Punapi Gatra, becek-becek. Tiang, Tabanan Pak. So I'm walking to the path of the rice paddies. So beautiful. And that's the drone following me. So nice. Very nice. It's very nice feeling walking, you know, on the rice path. My drone. That's Damian's. So I'm super happy. I can feel the very fresh air. Oh my god. It's like just paradise. Very nice. Very nice water. Clean water. Beautiful. Alright, so we are going at the back of Jatilui. Look at this forest. Look at this nature. So this one is one big temple. It's called Puraluhur Besikalung. Yeah. So we are going at the back side of the temple. And this road only can be accessed by motorbike. So it's very small and narrow road. And look at the forest around. Beautiful. Sunny day. There are many people having a walk.
All right. So we after
my God.
coffee,
After
I
coffee,
fly
breakfast,
drone.
flying drone. So this is how beautiful Jatilui in the morning. Sunny, and then it's getting hot.
It's very hot already. We have to go home. Today's vlog is quite simple, but this is beautiful view. I hope so
Oh
you
my God.
enjoy the
This is
piece of
highly
nature, you
recommend
know.
it. Yeah.
And yeah,
I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching, and as usual, see you tomorrow.
see you tomorrow.
I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us. But do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart. But we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never